Hey everyone, so this is my Silhouette Cameo. I just have the regular one, the 4. As you can see, my Bluetooth is lit up. There was someone having issues that their Bluetooth was not lighting up, not working on their machine. A lot of people have talked about issues they've had with their Autoblade for this 4 that come with it. Like they're having issues cutting. Okay, I'm going to show you how this should be cutting. Okay, or how it should be in here. So you have this tab and you can see past this, there's some white tabs that look in. See? That needs to be down. And then you can even pull on it and tug on it. So if this is not clipped in, it's going to come out. Therefore, it's not going to probably work. Okay. If you look down here at this angle, it's inserted, but it's not locked. So once I click it in, it's pushed as far as it can go, it'll click, okay? And then you can even tug on it. Like I'm tugging on it and I can't get it up. Okay. This notch right here is for when you want to use like Autoblade, ratchet blades and stuff like that, that doesn't work in the Autoblade, or what I would call, making sure you have the right tool in it. I can't think of the word right now. I'm sorry, guys. So if you are having problems and you think yours is not cutting, like mine's on a 3 right now, you can stick this in this hole and it'll go back to 0. See? It went back down to 0, guys. Okay? All you have to do is stick it in there once and it'll click and go back to 0. So if you don't think it's cutting right or deep enough, that could be a reason. Also, someone else had mentioned these spots right here, these little holes. Let me get something to point with. These little holes, this hole right here, and this little hole right here. This is what the Autoblade, when it changes the blade, this is what it goes to. So if yours is not clicking into there, there are some reset procedures that they've talked about to get that fixed, okay? So I just wanted to show you that tip on the Autoblade because a lot of people are having issues with it. I have yet to have an issue with mine. A lot of people are, I've seen a lot of comments that this one isn't made as well as the Cameo 3. I think it's made better considering this metal piece right here, everybody. And that's probably why it's a little louder, honestly. But other than that, you know, you unlock this to move these. So I always leave these. I try to bring them in closer. I don't move the rest of these. I don't move this one or this one. I always move this one. I always had a problem on my 3 with this one. Once I unlocked it, it was done for. So they've made it nice where it's actually got, you have to push this in to move it. Okay. So you have to push it in and then you'll hear it, you'll feel it kind of click in its place, and that's in place. And then all you do is push this back up for your rod to go back into the locked position, I guess you could say, the whole rod. So, you know, you always want to insert your mat touching, not going over this gray line, not going over this gray line, guys. You want to touch butt up right against that gray line on this side, on the right side of the line, okay? You don't want to go over it because then your cuts are going to be off, okay? So I hope those little tips helped you all. I'm fixing to check mine to see if print and cut works because I have completely forgot to check that. So I think it does. I think I did print and cut on it once. So you just got to play around with it. I really enjoy it. I enjoy the program, the software. So I'm hoping I can get you some more videos out that will help you learn your machine and enjoy it. So stay tuned.